Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur background in Darktable. So we can also simulate a shallow depth of field using blurring models combined with mask to keep your subject sharp. So while you can use low pass, the lens blur model provides the most realistic booked, so the shape of the blur. We will go here as you now already familiar with this menu. So we will go here to the effect menu and we will click here. Now what you need to do is find blurs. So this one right here, blurs, and this thing will open up. So now we have here blur radius, uh, diaphragm blades, linearity, and down here we have some options what we can choose. So we can choose drown mask, we can choose this parametric mask. So what we can do now is select here this uh, drown mask. I will set this opacity to almost 90%. And let's say that we will use no mask used. So let's do and select a circle. And if I do it something like that right here, and we make a little bit bigger, like so. Now we need to see that it's changing. So if I change here to multiple, or RGB channel, doesn't matter. Okay, average, and like that. So now, as you can see, if I change here mode, harmonic mean, and then I use this button next to it, you will see here in these slides that it changes. So it's not in the focus anymore like it was, if you see it. So like that, we can adjust this blurriness to an image. We can also do this for background right here. We can now I can do that. Or if I choose maybe this one is a little bit different, we can make something with the background. Also, we can use here mask like gradient. So we can do this like so. And we have this gradient right over here. So we can adjust it to down like that. And then we have some settings like here to do with that. And yeah, we then just need to adjust a little bit and play with this mask and with these blur options right here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.